had just landed in the USA. My client discovered I was an artist and gifted me every art supply I could dream of on day one. I was so excited. I forgot I had a jet lag. That same day, I walked into an art store in New Jersey with sparkling eyes. And that night, I began painting to white love birds under a glowing sunrise. In the midst of it all, I found joy in unexpected places. A break for the best New York pizza and warm basils that felt like comfort in a foreign city. One night I stayed in Washington, giving my painting space to breathe. The first layer of oil finally began to dry, and I could step into the second. But time was racing. My flight was next morning. The final layer was still wet, resisting my brush. I stayed up all night, pushing through exhaustion, embracing the challenge. Was it perfect? No, but it was powerful because it carried heart, urgency, gratitude, and truth. My client appreciated every stroke, and I felt deeply grateful for the chance to unleash my potential abroad. That painting, flawed, beautiful, brave, became my sunrise too.